You ever sit there listening to someone speak English and think, I understand everything they're saying, but then it's your turn to talk and your brain just freezes?
Yeah, it's like your English brain just says, nope, I'm on lunch break. Millions of learners feel that way. Smart people who can understand perfectly but can't speak naturally.
So today, we're fixing that. We've got 8 powerful tips to help you finally unlock your English voice. Practical stuff that actually works in real life.
And hey, if you love learning English in a simple and fun way, take 1 second to hit that like button and subscribe to the Easy English Show. It really helps more learners find us, and it keeps the show alive.
All right, let's start with why your brain freezes in the first place. You know that feeling when the words are in your head but just won't come out? That's not a memory problem, it's a connection problem.
Exactly. Your brain and your mouth just haven't practiced working together fast enough. It's like knowing all the dance steps, but once the music starts, you panic.
Your English isn't broken, it's just not activated yet. You don't need more grammar rules, you need faster reflexes.
And that starts with a super easy warm-up anyone can do.
Let's talk about that. Every day, do this. Pick up anything with English words, a snack label, your phone screen, even a shampoo bottle, and read it out loud for 30 seconds.
Yep, my shampoo bottle has heard me practice more English than half the people I know.
It's not about what you say, it's about training your mouth muscles. You're reminding your tongue how English feels.
It wakes up your speaking reflexes. Try it before class, before a meeting, or even while making coffee. Because when your mouth's warmed up, your brain stops hesitating. But the real killer of fluency isn't hesitation, it's translation.
Here's what usually happens. Someone asks, how's it going? And your brain goes, wait, what does that mean? Oh, right, how do I answer? Boom, too late.
Exactly. Thinking in your first language slows everything down. You're trying to run a race with the brakes on.
So instead, train your brain to react in English. Keep it short and real, like, really? That's crazy. No way. I get it.
Tiny reactions keep you in English mode. Switch your phone, YouTube, even your inner thoughts to English. It sounds weird, but soon your brain starts thinking in English by default.
And once that happens, you can start building phrases like a pro. If you're still memorizing lists like apple, dog, table, run, stop right there.
Yeah, that's great if you're 5 years old. You need chunks, small, useful phrases you can use right away.
Think, you know what I mean? That makes sense. I was just about to. These are real building blocks for conversation.
They're like shortcuts for fluency. You don't have to build the whole sentence in your head. You just pull a ready one from memory.
It's how native speakers talk. Natural, automatic, quick. But phrases alone won't do much if you never open your mouth. So let's fix that next.
Here's one of my favorites. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, and talk for 5 minutes about anything. Your day, your breakfast, your dog, doesn't matter.
Don't stop. Don't correct yourself. Just talk.
Then, and this is key, listen to it. You'll probably hate your voice. Everyone does. Get over it.
Because when you listen, you notice real progress. Maybe your pronunciation was good. Maybe one phrase sounded natural. That's gold.
And the next day, you'll do it a little better. That's how fluency grows. Not with perfect grammar, but with repetition.
And if you don't like talking alone, we've got something even more fun.
Pretend you're at a restaurant, or buying a train ticket, or ordering pizza.
I do this all the time. I talk to my cat. He doesn't judge me.
Play both roles. Be the waiter and the customer. Hello, sir. What would you like?
I'll have a pizza, please.
It's fun, and it trains your brain to react. So when you're in a real restaurant, you won't freeze. You'll think, oh, I've done this before.
Exactly. You're creating muscle memory for your brain. And while we're talking about freezing, we've got to face the monster.
Ah, yes. The monster that lives in every English learner's head. Fear.
I don't want to sound stupid. What if my grammar's wrong? What if people laugh?
Newsflash. Nobody cares. They're too busy worrying about their own mistakes.
Every error is proof you're doing the one thing most learners don't. You're speaking.
Mistakes are your receipts of progress. Keep collecting them.
Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
So stop aiming for perfect. Aim for understood. If the person got your point, you win.
And if you're brave enough to do that, you're ready for the final step.
Here's the real secret. No one ever feels ready to speak English. Not even teachers.
You can't think your way to fluency. You have to speak your way there.
Say it wrong, forget words, stumble, laugh, keep going.
Every awkward sentence is one step closer to sounding natural.
I still remember when I first tried learning Spanish. I told a waiter, I'm pregnant, instead of I'm embarrassed. Yeah, not my best moment.
But you know what? You never forget those lessons. That's how learning sticks.
Exactly. Fluency starts when you stop waiting for it.
Your voice might feel locked now, but every word you speak is a key.
All right, let's do a quick recap before we go.
Tip 1. It's not your knowledge, it's your activation.
Tip 2. Do a 30-second speaking warm-up daily.
Tip 3. Stop translating, start reacting.
Tip 4. Learn mini phrases, not words.
Tip 5. Record your voice for 5 minutes a day.
Tip 6. Role play real situations.
Tip 7. Make friends with mistakes.
Tip 8. Speak before you're ready.
That's your plan to finally unlock your English voice.
And remember, you already understand English. Now it's time to use it.
If you enjoyed this episode, give it a big like. It helps more learners find us.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Easy English Show for more simple, fun, and useful English every week.
Tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? Shadowing? Recording? Talking to your cat? We love reading your answers. Seriously, it's our favorite part.
Thanks for joining us today.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking, even if it's not perfect.
Because that's how fluency begins.
See you in the next episode.